Drive!
Now get in reverse, right? Pull it back. Shifter. Shifter. Pull it back. There you go.
I'm gonna bring him this
Let's,
jacket.
It doesn't work very well on this floor.
Push the gasket.
It needs the concrete. This is treated. Keep going, Jack.
Pull the switch up and you gotta pull it. Okay, okay, now pull this switch right here. It's right here. Pull it up. Now you go forward.
I cannot do that way.
You wanna help? You want me to help you?
No, let her do it.